I'm going to call you later. I will call you later. Be going to and will are both ways of talking about the future in English. Sometimes be going to and will are interchangeable, but there are some small differences in context. What are they? Hi, I'm Luke. I'm an ESL professional and I'm here to help. I'm going to buy a new car. I'm going to find a new job. We're going to get married. He's going to help you. Going to suggests a plan. You've thought about it before speaking. I will buy a new car. I will find a new job. We will get married. He will help you. Will suggests a decision made in the moment. It can be an offer for help, a promise, or intention. So sometimes there's only a small difference. I'm going to buy a new car suggests you have a plan. You've saved up some money, you know the car you want, you just haven't bought it yet. I will buy a new car suggests a decision made in the moment. Maybe you just got some money and you want to spend it. Or your car just broke down and you want a new one. So if I say, we're going to get married, have I asked my partner yet? Yes, I have. It's a plan. If I say, we will get married, have I asked my partner yet? Not necessarily. This sounds like a promise. There are not necessarily any fixed plans yet. You can make predictions about the future using be going to or will, but be going to suggests you have evidence to support your idea. I think it will rain later. I think it's going to rain later. Look at those dark clouds. Let's return to our first example, about calling you later. Imagine I have a plan to call you. Is it be going to or will? Right, I'm going to call you later. Now imagine I just had the idea. Be going to or will? Right, I will call you later. Okay, let's practice. What are your plans for tomorrow? Give me 3 examples. Second, what will the weather be like tomorrow? How do you know? For me, I'm going to go to a birthday party. I think I'll wear a new shirt. For the weather, I'll check the forecast in the morning to see if it's going to rain in the afternoon. How about you? Practice in the comments.